Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade grape jelly. First, gather your ingredients. About 3 pounds of fresh grapes, 4 cups of sugar, 1 box of powdered pectin, and 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Next, sterilize your canning jars and lids by boiling them for 10 minutes. This ensures your jelly will be safe and last longer. Prepare your workspace to have everything within easy reach for a smooth process. Now let's prepare the grapes. Wash about 3 pounds of ripe grapes thoroughly, removing all stems. Place the clean grapes into a large pot and crush them using a potato masher to release their juices. Bring the crushed grapes to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 10 minutes. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to extract 3 1/2 cups of pure grape juice. With your juice ready, it's time to cook the jelly. Pour the 3 1/2 cups of grape juice into a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Stir in 1 box of powdered pectin and 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Bring this mixture to a full, rolling boil that cannot be stirred down. Quickly add 4 cups of sugar, stirring constantly until dissolved. Boil vigorously for exactly 1 minute, then remove from heat. Finally, let's get that delicious jelly into jars. Carefully ladle the hot jelly into your sterilized canning jars, leaving 1/4 inch of headspace. Wipe the jar rims clean, center the lids, and screw on the bands until fingertip tight. Process the jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes to ensure a proper seal. Let them cool completely before storing. Remember to check the description for a great book on personal finance and other deals. Enjoy your homemade grape jelly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.